Chicken Inn ended FC Platinum's 10-match unbeaten run with a 2-0 win at Luveve today. Here are the highlights from Luveve. Chicken Inn coach Joey Antipas was happy with his team's performance against the log leaders.
I thought the boys put on a splendid performance throughout the game. We know Platinum, if you give them space to play, they will play and run rings around you. So the press that we put on them was excellent because we didn't give them time to play. Most of the time they're playing the long ball. Second half, what we did, since they're playing with 3 defenders, it was switch of play. Because from our switches of play, that's where we came right. And we caught them on the switch of play twice, and some good finishing from Pumi, good header, and Genius. Also, splendid effort. But going forward, we just keep our heads on our shoulders, and we take it from there, game by game. I think we've now hit a good patch. I think we've opened up the doors to win games, so we just hope we can continue from there.
Konapo ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.